Well, hello there and greetings. It is Matthew McDonald here, and today we're going to be taking a look at how do we take video marketing offline, the power of video, and how do we get that mobile engagement. Everybody is on their mobile phones. That's where your customers are. You want to get more customers, close more sales, you want to reach more eyeballs. Well, everybody is on their phone and they are ready to scan those QR codes. Now, the way the market is right now, it's 2025. Everybody is scanning QR codes. In fact, people like to scan QR codes. If you put a website address up somewhere like a notice board or on packaging, I'm going to give you some crazy tips in this video when it comes to QR codes, where you can put them. But if you would put a website URL, you're not going to get the traffic or engagement. But as soon as you put a QR code, and look at my QR code here, it's got a play button in the middle. That, my friend, is a video QR code, and that's what this video is all about. We're going to get you set up for video QR marketing. It is insane. It's fantastic, and you can dominate your local market by embracing video marketing offline, and you do it with a QR code. So what we should actually do before I give you, and there is an early bird going on right now below this video, I've got an offer. Don't scroll down yet. I mean, if you want, have a look at it. But I'm going to cover it for you and we'll go through it pretty quick. It's straightforward, but I want to clearly let you know what the different packages have included. And I'm going to do that right after we do the demo and have a look at how to actually create these video QR codes. And we're talking click, scan, and convert. Well, it could be taps, tap, scan, and convert. Tap, scan, tap, and convert. But we are in the mobile world today, and we want to use the power of video. Everybody loves shorts. They're scrolling shorts. Brand videos are in. Do you know about brand videos? Brand videos can increase customer engagement by 95%, and it results in more people becoming customers almost every single time. So brand videos is like a little video. I've got a demo here for you. A brand video like this one here. We've got a QR code here. Look at this. I'm going to show you exactly how you can generate these in literally seconds. Smith's Local Bakery. Now my mouse is there. I'm going to hover it over. Look, we've got a video inside that QR code. Pretty cool, eh? Mouse goes over. Now this is my admin area where we generate these QR codes, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. But this is a video QR code, and the way it works differently, instead of sending somebody to a website or a URL, we send them straight to a video. And then that video is the next step for maximum engagement. It's crazy. It's so cool. So let me demonstrate this for you. The way I'm going to demonstrate this so that you can see exactly what's going on. I've got this nice little tool here on my desktop, like a fake phone, that I can just move over a QR code here and pretend that I'm doing a QR code scan here. So we can stay on the screen here. I do have a mobile here as well, but I think it's going to be easier using this tool. So I'm going to give this a click here and scan it, and look at that. We are on a brand video that has been mobile optimized. Everything about this page is for mobile devices. We've got no distractions. This is a brand video, and this is where you start with your QR video marketing. So they come and they do that. That is a brand video, very basic one. Brand video might be 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and you can have a call to action. There's a couple of things I will change here, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. But I wanted to give you the basic here. The basic is this. We have a QR code with a play button, and when it gets scanned, bring up our scanner, clickety scan. It takes your future customer, and we're talking about getting more customers, converting more sales, increasing engagement. You can use this for brick and mortar business, or you can use it for online business to generate more business. And we're doing video offline marketing. So with the QR, let me just cover this for you now. We've got the QR Video Pro here. And actually, if I expand the side menu, look, I'm inside of WordPress here. Just goes a little bit out of your screen there. There we go. Look at that. We're in the WordPress dashboard, which means when you've got this tool on your site, you control your QR video codes. No third-party monthly subscriptions and these kind of things. I'm going to show you how you can easily generate these in seconds, and you can keep everything in your own video QR management system, which we have here. These are not throwaway QR codes. These are QR codes that you can manage, and they are going to be a powerful marketing tool that literally puts money in your pocket. It brings you more customers. It converts for you more sales. If I just jump into this one here and show you around a little bit, if I scroll down the bottom, we've just got a video here. This is on my local machine here, but we've got a video here, and that's all we needed to generate our video QR code. So you want to see how easily we can create this. Now you could create this with YouTube videos as well, but just to show you, demo really quickly how easy this is, we go plus add new. We can give it a name. So let's just say this is your first QR video. Let's call it here. Yeah, okay, QR video code. And we're going to just paste in our video here. This could be a YouTube video. This could be a direct video file, could be an Amazon S3 video. We paste it in there, and I'm a little bit in the way here, but there is a submit button there. I can actually bring it up. Look at that. There's a continue button. And I'm going to go ahead and click that. And there we go. We've just created a QR code that now we can go ahead and download. And there, look, I can get myself out of the way. Here's our QR code ready to go. We can customize the text here. We've got our QR video marketing video, and we can just download the QR code from here. One click, there we go. We've downloaded our QR video code, and we can put that QR video code anywhere. Look at that. One click to download. And let me bring it in so you can see it there. See? Just downloads it to your computer, and then you can use it in your offline marketing. It's fantastic. And now if we go back to our dashboard here, we can see we've just created this QR code. Now, there are 3 different packages for getting started with the QR Video Pro. So I want to cover those packages, and along the way I'm going to reveal more features for you and actually show you how to convert those QR video scans into more business. Now I've got some more advanced ones here with branding as well. We're going to come back to those in a moment. But first, the basic package, which is your starter package for getting into video offline marketing using video QR codes. All you need to get your foot in the door is the basic starter package. Now I've got it here, basic essential starter package here. It includes the WordPress plugin, the basic version, to be able to generate your own QR codes. You can also manage all those QR codes in your WordPress admin, so you don't have to go and log into third-party services. You don't have to pay third-party service fees. You don't have to worry about other companies watermarking your QR codes. They are your QR codes and you're good to go. And the basic package is limited to a single domain. That's the absolute starter package to get your foot in the door, as you would say. But I would say take it to the next level here and have a look at what you get in the plus option. With the plus option, we're actually going to go into conversion. So if we go back here to our screen, there we go. And I'm going to select another video here. Let's pick the fitness one, for instance, local gym. They could be doing all sorts of videos. You know, join me for an online workout, okay? So you could have a mini workout or a bonus tip or the correct way of doing a goblet squat. That would be a fantastic one. How do you do the perfect goblet squat? So you could have a thing like that. But with the plus version, we can take that to the next level by scrolling down the bottom here, and it's just a little bit out of your reach there. Can you see that? No. Let me just move this up. There we go. We've got the button toggle down the bottom here. This button toggle is a special button toggle, and it activates something called an action button. And so by activating this button here, now we get an action button directly below the video. So now with our fitness video, they can engage with, they scan the QR code, they engage with the video. But now we can have a call to action directly below the video, which is where you want it. Also, if we have a quick look at these options here, we can do things like add a headline, and you can see here, ready for your next step, learn more. You could turn this button into a call us now, link it to a sign up form. You could link it to a booking form. If you are a coach, you want to give some business marketing tips, or you want to book it to link it to a strategy session booking, anything like that. It's fantastic. You can even link it to an online store. But from here, you can fully customize this, add your own headline. You can even add images if you want. You can add footers as well. But you've got this action button, which is really takes this to another level. It takes your QR videos to a whole different level. Let me just go ahead and save that. There's a couple other ones here that I kind of thought I will point out to you with the action buttons. So we had the real estate, for instance. You could do something like show different houses. A real estate agent might want to do a walk through a house on a video, and then obviously you want to have a call to action button below that, and you want people to be able to contact you with the different related to that house or related to something similar. They watch the short here with the QR video code, and then they might want to go in person. So you're going to have your call to action directly below the video here with an action button to get them to take action. So that's a great way to use that. And you've got to ask yourself, in your business, how would you be using that call to action feature? It's fantastic. And we'll just quickly take a look. I love this feature, and you're going to enjoy using it. When you move the mouse, you get to sneak peek actually what is the video in there. Look at that. It's really cool. So we've got to visit an online store. Have a look at this. So we've got shop now, and we've got 20% off today. So we've got like a product video here, and then we have a link directly to our online shop to go ahead and purchase that. Can you believe it? You are using QR codes to do video sales offline. They scan the QR code and boom, they are on the video having that moment and ready for the next step. There's some other ones here. I've created like a personal one as well that you can do. I did add this one here because when it comes to PDFs, ebooks, things like this, you need to be using QR codes. If you ever send anything in the mail, you need to put a QR code sticker on there as well. So here you can use QR codes absolutely anywhere. Look at this. We've got John the affiliate. Can you see who it is? From that little picture there, well, we can hover them. It's John Travolta. John Travolta, the affiliate. Now, as far as I know, he's not into affiliate marketing. He's into flying planes, which I like. But if we have a look at this, it's just a dance video. But this gives you some ideas of what you can do. There's no limit. There's no limit to where these things can go. You know? Okay, back to work here. We've got get directions, okay? You open a new business or you know of a new business opening. Hey, they want publicity. You can help them create a QR code where you have a shop video here. So we've got a chap here showing off Swiss watches. And down here, we've got a call to action. Come visit us, get directions. And the way we've got this linked is we've got it going directly to Google Maps. You've got to realize they're going to be watching this on their mobile device, so they can just tap that and hey, off they go. Let Google Maps take them directly to your store. It's really cool what you can do. So with the Plus package, you're getting 3 domains instead of 1, so you can install it on multiple different websites. But you're also getting that call to action button, which takes me to the final stage of this video. And now that you've hanged in there so long, I'm going to give you the good stuff right now. If you want to take your QR video codes to the next level, you want to consider something called QR branding. Now, you might have seen it with some companies that send you stuff in the letterbox. You can think, hey, that's a cool QR code. It's got a picture of somebody on there, or it's got their branding on there. Well, with the business package for the QR video code, you get your own branded QR video codes. Now, that's not the only thing you get, but that alone is crazy what you can get. So you get your business package here, and let me show you what that looks like. So here you can see we have some branding. I've got my own personal branding. My favorite branding is to put a person's head there, put the face there, put a smile there. You know, that's going to be great, like introduce them to the video. And I'm going to give you a tip here because a lot of people miss the opportunity here. If you are a sole entrepreneur, and you're doing things like maybe window cleaning, or maybe you're serving clients with websites, when those prospects see you on video, and this has been true ever since we had online video, when they see a video of you on their mobile phone, or when they see it, they're holding that mobile phone in their hand and they are watching you on video, and then they see you in person, they are actually feeling they are appreciating that they're seeing this mini celebrity now in their head. Whether they think of the word celebrity or not, it doesn't matter. You've been on their phone, they've been watching you on video. Now you have made a huge progress in trust building and a massive leap forward in them becoming your customer. Okay? That is a lesson in itself. I'm just giving you that as a tip. So with the business package, you're going to be getting branded QR codes with no limitations. You can do unlimited branded QR codes. So here you can see we're using the image. I did some example here. Look, I put a Rolex watch in the middle here, and you can customize the label and everything like that. You could say scan the Rolex as an example. We've got Remax Real Estate. We've got a fitness club here as well. And so, I like this one, book a call. So watch our 45-second explainer video. This is great for more seasoned businessmen who have those power tips that really could make a difference for someone else, you can put that power tip into a QR code video, make that available offline, and then when people go online, let me just open this up. They scan the QR code. Okay, 45 seconds, I can do that. Let me scan that. I'm just sitting here doing nothing. They're going to watch your little power tip, and then you're going to have something like book a free strategy call right under it. Now, you've got to realize while this is happening, they are on the phone. They don't have to take notes and think, okay, when I get home, I'm going to get my phone and do. They are already on the phone. You can just do one tap and book a call. You can also link this this action button to call the phone directly. So you just put TEL : and the phone number, international phone number format, and they can just tap it and they are calling you directly from your QR video. Can you believe that? People are calling you from a QR video they just scanned a few seconds ago. It's fantastic. So with this exciting business package version, you are getting the branding, and here we can see I've actually redone the whole branding here. This is the first release of this branding QR edition, and you can do all sorts of fantastic stuff with the QR code. Now, also included with the business package, and this is important, you're also going to be getting with the business package scan stats, real-time stats as people scan your QR code. So, I mean, this is great. When you put our QR codes out there, you want to know it's working. Well, you need to know it's working. And with the business package, the QR Video Pro is going to track scans, and it's going to be telling you how many people are scanning your QR code, but it goes one step further. Let me bring up stats here that I have prepared for you earlier, and we'll do a stat here together as well. Let's do the Smith's Local Bakery, and I'm going to go to the stats tab, which is available. And let me just get out of the way here. Look at these beautiful stats. So you can get full stats. We've got the scans, and we're getting video play stats. Hello? Are you serious? We're getting video play stats and conversion stats. How many people that actually scan the QR code watch the video? This is crazy. This is some advanced stuff right at your fingertips, and it's all automatic. You don't have to mess around with it, but it goes one step further. If you recall, with the business package, we also get all the plus features. So we get the action button feature. If we turn on our button here, have a look at what happens to our stats. Turning on the button, and now we are getting click-through conversion rates as well. We are tracking scans of the QR code. We're tracking how many of those people scanned that actually are engaging with the video. So video views we're tracking. And now we're tracking conversions with the clicks. Well, they're going to be taps, but clicks is just easier to use it here in the interface. And for the highlight here, look at this. We're going to scroll up, and we now have our click stats here. We're getting a 75% play rate. That means everybody that scans the QR code, 75% of them are playing the video, and we're getting a 46% click-through ratio. That's going to be our QR conversion. So, what does this mean to you? This means that right now I am doing a limited time early bird special invitation for existing customers and friends, where you can get started right now from the basic version. The plus is available, but we've also got the business package available. And I'm doing this as a special one-time offer below this video for a limited time. This is going to be a special limited time opportunity, and you can scroll down right now below this video, go through those 3 packages. It's pretty simple. I've made it super simple for you. I've covered them in this video as well, so you can make an informed decision which package you want to pick up. When you go ahead and click on that package, it's going to take you through a checkout process. You'll make a one-time purchase at that special heavily discounted early bird invitation price. It's a lock-in one price, and you get immediate access to this tool. You'll come back on the other side. I have more video there for you. I have a quick conversation with you. We get you logged into our secure members area, and you simply download this tool and install it like any other WordPress plugin. I've built this myself. It's at the top of the standard when it comes to WordPress plugins. And like you can see here, the user experience is fantastic. You're going to love using this tool. And because it's inside of the WordPress admin, you have full control. Nobody else can watermark your QR codes. You're not going to lose any of your QR codes. They're all going to be in one place, and you're going to be taking your video marketing offline and taking your business to the next level. So right now, if you scroll down below this video, have a look at those 3 different opportunities. Now, keep in mind that it is going to be a limited time offer. So now is going to be the best time to get the deal. You're getting full packages with all of them there. Take the package that's right for you, and I'm going to see you on the other side in just a moment.